like a hurt wing or something. Maybe it's on his foot. What is that?
Is that what's that? A stick?
Yeah, it's a thorn. You stabbed with the thorn.
Oh yeah, hold him with your fingers down like this.
Should I try to pull it out?
Oh, move your fingers.
Oh!
Oh, can I see that?
Oh, the poor baby.
He must have flew into it.
He got impaled by a thorn in the forest. We just pulled this out of him.
That's why he couldn't fly. A little bit of blood.
It probably feels better after having that spear out of him. That was a huge spear.
Yeah, I saw him. He actually came up to me in the forest over there. I was like, that's kind of weird.
He actually came up to you in the forest.
Yeah, and then he started hopping around and I noticed he wasn't flying, so I chased after him. I was standing on the log and he ran up and hopped up on the other end of the log. You see where it went? It was like right by his leg, kinda.
I wish I could see his wound.
Don't scare him.
Got the burr off him.
That's so cute.
Yeah, you can definitely see his, like, he's holding his one wing down a bit more.